Saturday, 29 July was an exciting day to end the month of July. From Abeokuta, we headed for Ibadan, Oyo State, and we had a quick interview with Samson Iluwole, stage names, Jinodu or Gripa, or remember Ishola Theatre of old. And we call on the scholar, teacher, and musician Dr. Tunde Kelani to keep the date with beautiful Nubia concert in Ibadan. And we arrived at the venue and met AWERO and beautiful Nubia in a concert.
So, as I was telling you, Papa is not going, it will soon go, but it's not going here. Yeah. But as I was saying, so he invited me and he said I should write this song for that movie. So that's what happened. And I wrote this song. And all of you
Last night was awesome. Just like you said, Baba, last night was really good. But last night is not really special though, because all our recent shows have been like this. In fact, for the last few years, if you come to a show, the age, the demographics seems to have kind of shifted. Say, if we said 15 years ago, who used to come to our shows? People of my generation, maybe some older, people in their 30s. But now, you come to my show, the average age is probably like 20, 18, 20. These are all young people. And they are singing, they're happy, and they're, it's such a wonderful thing. And you're thinking a song like Kukukakufo, which some people like to call AWERO or lamentation song, whatever. That song has been around since 2006. It's 17 years old. For some of the people who are coming now and dancing and singing, like that, going crazy over this song, some of them were only 3 years old when that song was released. It shows you the power of childhood memories and how the kind of music that you expose a child to, the kind of music you expose your children to, the kind of books, the kind of wisdom that you expose them to can stay with them for life. All the people who are coming to my show now, they always say, I grew up on your music. They always say it. My father used to play your music. My mom used to play your music. Oh, my uncle was a big fan of your music. And every morning they woke us up with your music. And it's stuck in their minds. And it has guided them. And they're always saying it. Your music has guided me my whole life. The power of music. Music is not a joke. Music is a very, very powerful force. We can choose to use it to develop our society, or we can use it to dumb our people down. And I feel that in Nigeria and many parts of Africa, we are using music to dumb our people down, to make them ignorant and backward. Music is such a powerful spiritual force that if you put the right things inside it, you can create positive revolutions that lead to development.